Hello, we're going to do a video today on how to do a blog post. It's pretty simple. You don't have to wrap your brain around a bunch of stuff. So you're going to log into your back end of WordPress. You're going to click on the post section. So you just click on posts, add new. Test post for, I was doing better, how to make a post on WordPress. And you click down here. Now you get your title in. You'll see it created a permalink. Now, if you want to shorten that permalink so it's not so long, you can do that. You click edit, and then you can erase all this and then put test post, hit OK, and now it's shorter. But if you want it like this, then you just leave it the way it was. For this case, now that I've deleted the other one, I'm going to do test post to make a post. Okay. Now you need to come over here and select a category. So I'm going to click tips and tricks. Now I'll go in here into your main area for content. I'm going to center the top one. Click. This is a test post tutorial. If you want to make these letters bigger, you just select one of these sizes. Let's go ahead and do it this way. Let's go heading 2, which is a decent size. And we're going to put in here, this is a test post. And I'll just put a bunch of different letters since it doesn't matter. And then if we want to put some more things. Now, if you want to put like this on this side of the screen, you would hit this. And that goes all the way over there. But we're going to leave it over here like that. Hit enter. If you want to add a picture now, you can click add media. And you got 2 ways to do this. You can select something you have by clicking, like, let's just click this one. Now, let's add another picture, but let's do it from a link. So let's just choose this basketball. View image. Copy image location. Now you're going to go back over here. You're going to add media. Now instead of doing any of this, you're going to go to insert from URL, link, basketball. Insert into post. Oh, did that one wrong. Let me go back and do this again. Insert from URL. Okay, there we go. We're going to center the picture. And then we're not going to make it a URL. But if you wanted to make it a URL, I'll show you another way you can do it. So we're going to insert into post. Now the basketball is centered. Now, if you want to make this a link, you can do it from there. I just do it this way. I highlight it by one click. Go over here to Insert, Edit Link. And then let's just say we're going to do it to Google.com. Now you see this little wheel here? I recommend you do this so you don't lose customers. Click Open Link in New Tab, Update. Now this, when people click this, it'll take them to the link you put in on a new tab. So you're not going to lose a customer from them clicking this going to someone else's web page. That's stupid. You don't want to lose customers. You work too hard to get them, don't lose them. Now, if you want to keep on adding material in here, you just do what I did up there all over again until you get down to where you're done. And you can put pretty much as much content as you want in. Now, add banner. This is important because this is what it'll look like now. The picture ain't showing yet. Oh, because I haven't saved the save draft. So this is what we've got so far. And you should always hit save draft. Don't hit publish. Always this one until you're all done. Once you're done and you proofread everything and check your pictures and make sure everything's fine, then hit save draft. So you see all this empty area up here? Looks like shit. And you don't want that. So you're going to do is you're going to put a header picture in. And I recommend making that header picture at least 2,000 pixels wide or full size. It's got to be a big one by at least 600. So we're doing a 2370 wide by 601 pixels tall. Now you see down here, sometimes it doesn't show that. Sometimes it'll say thumbnail. You don't want that. You want this one. Full size. Always double check this. And make sure it's not linked to anything. Alignment, you can center it if you want, or you can leave it with none. It's not going to matter because it's so wide it's going to stay. But you definitely do not want left or right unless you're doing something custom. Now, insert into post. Save draft. Now, remember how this is ugly? Refresh. That is what it looks like once you put in a decent picture. Now, if you get this, I'll show you why not to use a thumbnail. Thumbnail will be just a little tiny picture. See that? You don't want that. You want it to look nice. So when people go there, they already start feeling engaged. Next, set featured image. Very important. This is going to be the picture that shows on like links or the little display boxes that are the widgets that are on the actual main page or that are shared. So let's go ahead and let's pick this goofy looking guy. The weirdo, that's going to be the thumbnail. Now, you have up here tags, your keywords. Because I use SEO Press, I enter my keywords down here. Don't put spaces between them, just put the comma. And then here you can either hit post and post title or site title, and you can hit post excerpt, and then that'll show what is in your thing up here for like your Google cards and so forth. Now I'm going to go down here, copy and paste. Now you see the keywords are over here and down here. I'm going to hit Save Draft. Sorry if you can hear that loud music. It's playing. It's my neighbor. And if you look over everything, you see the keywords down here. So don't write like boobies. So this is what the post would look like. And of course, if you had more content, it'd be a lot more in there. So now that it looks good, we're going to go back over here. We are going to double check that we aren't missing anything. Okay, everything's looking good. So we're going to hit publish. Now that it's published, if you check that one that you were doing the test on, it's dead. Oh, it revived the link. Good. Sometimes it doesn't.